Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to link layers in Photoshop shortcut. Let's see. See this layer 1, layer 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Select layer 1 and layer 2. Hold Control. Then press Control L and some version not working to this shortcut key. Simply again hold Control, right click on your mouse, link layers. See this link layers. Okay, and another way, hold shift, select three shape, one, two, three. Right click, link layers. And again right click, unlink layers. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.